morning, Sam. Good morning, Sarah. Happy midweek Wednesday, everyone. Beautiful sunrise shaping up for us this morning. The winds will remain strong, but for the most part, pretty dry day ahead. We'll just see those showers that favor the windward Malca areas, especially for the first half of this morning. So pretty typical with the nice and strong northeast trade. Humidity will be down in the forecast. Some spotty showers will last until about 9 o'clock a.m. today. In terms of an overview of your forecast, we still have quite a few weather alerts. Same as yesterday. They've been extended through today. Small craft advisory statewide. We also have the gale warning for the channels in between Maui County and Hawaii Island. Got the high surf advisory for the east shores and surf, and of course the high wind advisory through this evening. The breezy trades will continue for the rest of the week. They're expected to last at least for the next 7 days. They'll get a little bit later over the weekend, but will be replaced with some heavy wet weather that we'll talk about with our 7-day forecast. For now, here's a look at the surf. We've got the east shores at 8 to 12, north 4 to 6, west facing 1 to 3, and for the south 0 to 2. Not too many changes into tomorrow. West shores will just slightly bump up at 2 to 4 feet. Now look at the week ahead for you on the screen. The windy conditions will last through Thursday, mostly cloudy. Again, the winds will last the rest of the week. They'll just get a little bit lighter starting late Aloha Friday through the weekend with this new storm system ahead that will bring in some wet weather, heavy potential Saturday and Sunday, heavily for the weekend. Later rain is expected Monday and Tuesday. We'll start to see some more sunshine by Wednesday next week. Daytime highs will be consistent for the next 7 days. We've got high 70s from now through your next Wednesday. That's the latest for our forecast.